Okay, I am making my mole. I'm roasting all my goods. I'm going to be frying some of these ingredients. And I'm going to ground them, making a paste. This is next, my plantain, which is ripe. Yeah, and this is what I look like. Roasting these peppers because, oh, smells so good. But this is what I look like roasting peppers because, oh my God, it went in my chest. So, okay, in my lungs. Alright, so I'm roasting these. I wouldn't recommend using your hands, but I use my hands for cooking for a while. Okay, I'm going to turn that off, because that's pretty much roasted. Okay, if you can understand me, but I'll be having the recipe. I'll have a recipe soon. Alright.